Improved. The rain has, of course, been really generous, and we have been really seeing improvement. But at the same time, it is important for us to be prudent, and we have to realize that just because the rains are coming in, we just simply stop everything. May not be a very, a very efficient way of working at it. So prudence is very important at this point in time. We need to realize that even though the rains are coming in, how can we sustain the entire process in the next 1 year, so that we don't have to face the same kind of situation where we had 8, 9 hours, 10 hours of cut. I think to minimize that, I think there needs to be some kind of a planned system of maintaining the overall water levels in the different power generating units. The good part is that today, for the first time in the history of our state, all the 3 regions are actually producing power. So we have Ganol producing power today, we have Leshka producing power from Jette Hills, Ganol from Garo Hills, and obviously the Umyam today. So all 3 areas, regions today are contributing towards a power supply, and this is a very positive step forward. But a lot more needs to be done. And as I said that yes, the people are facing a lot of challenges. We've seen a bit of improvement. We have tried to minimize the different inconveniences people are having, but it will not be possible for us to completely take it out. The reason being, as I said, we want to be prudent, and we want to ensure that we are able to sustain things in such a manner that we don't have to face another situation of heavy cuts in the future.
Thank you.